Hi there, I'm Michael Niles. I'm a business advisor and a digital marketing trainer. Like many of you, I'm sure, I'm now confined to my home to deliver my work, and my work generally involves crowds of people, which means currently, like many of you, I may well not have any work. So what I'm intending to do is to try and do some online sessions on digital marketing for startup and small businesses. I'll be delivering them from home using this setup. You can see I've already stocked up with what I need to survive the COVID-19 problems. But I'm going to do a series of short workshops, 90 minutes long, on social media content, on search engine optimization, on blogging, on video content, on as many things as I can think of. Just 90 minutes, about an hour of delivery, 30 minutes of a Q&A. I'm going to deliver these via Zoom. So there should be some nice interaction. So in the Q&A, people can ask questions, I can answer them. I can't offer these for free, unfortunately, but I'm going to try and keep the price as low as possible by charging £10 per person per session. The sessions are starting on Tuesday, the 24th of March. And the first two I'm running are social media and SEO, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. There'll be a link below this video through to my webpage where you can book onto the courses. I really hope you can attend. This is the perfect opportunity to upskill certain digital skills, as well as understanding more how to communicate with our clients, particularly as a lot of them will be retreating towards social media and the internet as we get more and more isolated. So please do have a little look at the courses. I will continue to do these as long as I can. I'll even continue to do them if no one turns up. They don't cost me anything to do. And I will be uploading them to a Patreon account ultimately that people can access the courses from. So have a little look at the link below. Please come along. We can beat this thing together. But upskill yourself. This is for small business and startups particularly, say £10 a ticket. Please come along, and I hope to see you at one of the sessions. Thanks very much.